see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Thank you very much, always more and more of you watching us. Today I have my big help from a little Enrico master chef, and he gonna help me to make, we're going to make a really easy and tasty fish dish. Yeah.
You can call it.
Yeah, we can go. We're going to make tiger prawns in the breadcrumb, Italian marinade, but we're gonna use the big king's prawns. They absolutely delicious.
It could be called rhino prawns. I like these horns.
Sure, me?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
They have like these horns here. Why are they not called rhino prawns?
I don't know. Maybe we're gonna ask why they don't call rhino.
Legs.
Okay, we're gonna clean the prawns, we're gonna take the shelf off, and we're gonna prepare our marinade stuff with usually I did already in many videos. I use this for meat as well. We're gonna need breadcrumb, parsley, garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, pepper, and olive oil.
When you're taking the head off, when it's finished, make sure not to spike yourself with the horn.
Yeah.
Because it hurts.
Okay. Now, guys, we're going to clean the prawns. Take head off
First. Because you don't eat the head.
You know. No, we can. You know.
The head is too hard.
No, we're gonna just clean like that. The tail we try to leave. Now we cut here. If we have to clean.
The tail is my favorite.
You take this
And you just peel it off.
and take it out. Now I'm gonna wash them under the water, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, guys, my prawns nice and clean. Now we're going to prepare the marinade stuff. It's very easy to make.
Very easy.
Yeah, it's delicious. I preheat the oven because they're going in the oven around 200 degrees, 15-20 minutes, not more. Okay, Enrico, passami the bowl, please. Okay, we add inside this bowl some breadcrumb.
Weird.
Depend how much breadcrumb, depend how many prawns you prepare.
We did 5.
We did that 5 tiger prawn.
5.
Yeah, the big one. And we cook just for me and Enrico. Is this?
Yeah, they big fatties.
Okay, I think it's 3-4 tablespoons of breadcrumb. If we need more, we use some parsley.
Yeah.
Put around 2 teaspoons of parsley. Now we add some lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Yeah, we try to check just the skin, not too much white.
What stuff is?
The white is a little bit big, okay?
Beta.
Yeah, bitter. Now, do the same with garlic. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use 1. But the garlic is good.
It gives it that spice.
Yeah.
Garlic's kind of spicy. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's sharpness.
Yeah. Oh, make sure not to cut yourself when you're using the
Yeah. Well done.
garlic.
Clean everything. Now, see, I use just 1. It's quite a big one.
You
Now,
can use 2.
if you like, depend on how many you're gonna use.
Yeah.
We do the lemon juice.
Yes. Put the lemon juice.
We use juice. I like lemon with
Me too.
fish is always
It's very good.
Yeah. Now inside, salt and pepper. Enrico, can you pass me salt and pepper, please?
Magical.
Magical, Enrico.
Wow. this? It's some salt.
This
Let me
some
just get-
salt.
And wow, we got some pep. Here's some pep.
And some.
How do you use this?
You have to block it and move this. Like this. Touch of extra virgin olive oil. And now, what we're gonna do?
Extra virgin olive oil. Listen to me, not to me.
Mix everything.
Well,
Try to mix like this.
yeah, you did this before.
Yeah, I do very often this mix, guys. It's absolutely wow, amazing, is it? Now take your prawns,
Those beautiful.
put this
Oh,
up,
yeah.
and with your hands,
Yeah, that's
Yes.
what I thought you would do.
yeah,
And just cover it with the stuff.
yeah. Cover it. Mix it. Take your time, no
Try
rush.
not to break it, though.
No, yeah, like this, because it's not gonna be in bread with breadcrumbs. Look at that, fantastic. The smell is already super nice.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
Yeah, I think this parsley I will add.
I just wasn't sick.
Yeah,
You need some of this?
no.
Oh,
Okay, mix everything.
ooh.
Prepare one tray to that we're gonna put in the oven. I told you around 15 to maximum 20 minutes
In the oven.
in the oven 200. Okay?
It should be very good.
Now my tray is ready.
Put some extraordinary olive oil.
A touch of olive oil. Yeah.
Anything extraordinary, just olive oil.
Yeah. And we put our prawns
Prawns.
inside.
Prawns. No, prawns. Don't eat the tail.
No.
I just remembered that. They still have the tail. Make sure not to eat the tail. There's
Inside?
more in there. We had 5.
And fry.
Like hiding
This breadcrumb is left. Put a little bit
Yeah, put it on.
on top.
Mm,
You can eat and make that.
nice and crunchy.
Yeah, you know that, no?
Because it like sticks on, makes it nice and crunchy. Mwah.
Yeah, al bacio. Thank you, Enrico.
Haven't actually tasted it.
Okay,
I don't know, it's good.
the job is done. Enrico, know this because, yeah, actually, we add again a little bit of salt and pepper.
So, put it out. First the pep.
Yeah, any. Yeah, gira.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enough.
That's enough salt.
The salt is done.
Make sure to not
Again, a
olive
little
oil.
touch of olive oil. Now, guys, they're going in the oven around 15-20 minutes, 200 degrees. I'm gonna be more precise later. Okay? See you later. My prawns, they ready. Look at that. Absolutely, they look crunchy and super nice. Huh? What you think?
Yeah.
They're very nice.
Wait.
The,
Make sure to not eat the tail. The tail is not edible.
the cooking time
20 minutes.
I did, well done. I did exactly
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Now, we can try. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Can I look? The crust. This is delicious. Mm. Wow, you want to try it, Rico?
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely delicious. Wow. Yeah.
It's a hum.
No, it's good. What you think? Thank you very much. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. From Piero and Master Chef Enrico, the prawns, the tiger prawns, in my marinate breadcrumb is this. Always, guys, if you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao.